Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're gonna take a city POV test drive at night in this 2022 Infiniti QX60 Sensory. That's the second from the top in terms of trim levels, and yeah, this city POV test drive we're gonna test the smoothness a little bit. I just put in some snow for scale. I figured why not park here. So sorry if this will be a bit of a weird walk around, but yeah, just a quick look at the back because we weren't really able to do it at the night POV test drive. And yeah, we're just gonna take a short little drive and yeah, just see how smooth it is to drive in the city here doing more stop and go traffic than we do in the other POV test drives. And speaking of other POV test drives, we have two more. One at night where we test the headlights and the automatic high beams, do also a little bit of a launch test, and highway POV test drive where we test assist features. But for all my thoughts on this 2022 QX60, taking the top right hand counter for my full review. As you hear, I'm starting to freeze. Let's go inside. Whew. It is very, very cold, and I don't like it. Nope. Thank you for automatically starting music. Let's see inside. Let's take a quick look. We got the brown interior. Looks very nice. And excuse the Dr. Pepper, not sponsored. Just a little tired, but I need to make this video. And yeah, I don't have coffee at home. So there we go. Let's drive this. It's just been another very busy week, but we're closing in on the end. For everybody who's been following my channel knows that I say that quite a bit. But we're closing in. Just a couple more months, and then we're done with all the super busy weeks. And then this will be a little more relaxed, a little bit more on schedule, and a little bit more normed. Anyhow, I don't want to talk too much during this POV test drive. Occasionally I'll chime in, but I just want to give you a chance to see and hear how it is to drive this at the first person, so enjoy. Oh, heated seats and heated steering wheel though, please, and a bit more of the AC. Is 3 fine? Yeah, 3 isn't too loud. You can change to the full screen map. There you go, looks a little nicer. And the menu screens. We will be driving mostly the short route today, just because, like I said, a little busy, so we're not going to end up in downtown. But overall, the effectiveness of the route is pretty much the same, so nothing lost there, maybe except for the few visuals of downtown being pretty. Oh, we can also, of course, enable our digital rear mirror. Why wouldn't we do that? Which is very, very lovely feature that I personally always appreciate when having it in a car. We can do a short acceleration run, as we always do. Let's put it into sport and turn the Dr. Pepper so it doesn't spill out if we accelerate. Put her back into auto. Not the most graceful sounding if you floor it and then suddenly get off the throttle, but accelerates rapidly enough. And now it is smooth cruising. We can change the view, and I can put up the steering wheel a little for you. There you go. can also turn on the massage seats. There's a quick button on the left hand side here, and now we have them on. It's different programs, 3 different ones: lumbar, relaxing, and refreshing, and this should be the relaxing program, just to, you know, make this drive a little more, well, relaxing. I don't know what this sound is. You're probably hearing it started today. Don't blame the car for that. It might have been me that didn't like put something properly back into place. I need to check that because it didn't do that before today when I was kind of shuffling some stuff around. So just so you know, the clacking noise, I mean. Interesting driving in front of us. Maybe just a little confused. They're not from here, apparently. Oh yeah, we can start at a snow pile and end at a snow pile. How about that? That's continuity of thematics. Thematics, that even a word? I don't know. Whatever. There we go. Snow pile for scale. All right, let's turn her off. Actually, we no. Let's turn her off. Okay, there we go. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this. Highway POV, city POV test drives are mostly kind of uneventful, but that's how hopefully all of your drives are, right? We don't really want to have too much happening on these. And yeah, I think the QX60 managed just fine. Like I said, somewhere on your screen right now probably will be my full review if you want to hear all my thoughts and if it's worth the money or not. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.